So today we will start a new topic, that is Nast equation. Nast equation. Generally, Nast equation is used to find out the EMF of any cell at any concentration other than unity. Used Nast equation. Okay, so Nast equation हम क्या करते हैं जब यूज करते हैं when the concentration of different terms is not unity, other than unity होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं Nast equation यूज करते हैं. For example, suppose any reaction of type AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. It is the general formula for calculation of Nast equation. So for this equation, Nast equation can be written as E cell. E cell means EMF of cell. EMF of cell at any concentration is equal to E naught of the cell. E naught cell means standard EMF minus RT upon NF Ln into concentration of product C की power C D की power D upon concentration of A की power A and concentration of B की power B. हमें पता है जब Ln को log में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो 2.33 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. R गैस कांस्टेंट 8.314 वैल्यू होती है. T टेम्परेचर 298 केल्विन, फैराडे 96500. तो when put all these value in equation this, then E cell becomes E naught cell minus 8.314 for the value of R. T 298 into 2.303 upon n into 96500 log. यहाँ पे ln था, अभी क्या हो गया log. C की पावर C, D की पावर D upon A की पावर A, D की पावर D. On calculation all these terms having value constant, E cell comes out to be E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log concentration of C की power C, D की power D upon A की power A and B की power B. So this is the final equation for calculation of EM of cell by using Nast equation. तो इस equation के थ्रू हम क्या कर सकते हैं किसी भी सेल की EMF फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं when their concentration are given. The value of n is equal to number of electrons lose or gain in the given equation. So क्या करते हैं take one example for calculation of EMF by using Nast equation at any concentration. Suppose take one example question. Calculate EMF of following cell having E naught of the cell equal to 1.005 volt, and the equation are Ni plus 2 Ag positive, its concentration 0.002 molar gives Ni2 positive 0.160 molar plus 2 Ag. So we have to calculate the EMF of the cell, where the standard EMF of the cell given 1.05 volt. By using Nernst equation, E cell can be written as E naught of the cell minus 0.059 upon n log concentration of product. This is not considered because it is present in solid states, so only Ni2 positive upon, here also it is not considered because it is also present in solid states, so the remaining is Ag positive की power 2 because its coefficient is 2. On putting all this value, E cell means 1.05 minus 0.059 upon 2, because the number of electrons loses 2 and the number of electrons gain also 2, so the value of n is 2 log concentration of Ni2 positive 0.160 upon concentration of Ag positive 0.002 की power 2. On solving, 1.05 minus 0.059 upon 2 log 0.69, 16 into 10 की power minus 2, and on solving 0.0025, 4 into 10 की power minus 6. Okay, so this gives 4, and finally the answer comes out to be 1.059 minus 0.059 upon 2 into log 4 into 10 की power 4, and on solving this gives the value of EMF at a given concentration. तो ये एक तरीका होता है क्या फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, EMF at any concentration. Next topic, EMF of cell and equilibrium constant. We know generally according to Nernst equation, E cell equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.059 upon n log concentration of product upon concentration of reactant, and at equilibrium point E cell is equal to 0. So putting the value of E cell in the given equation, this becomes 0 equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n, and this terms becomes equilibrium constant. So it is written as Kc in the terms of concentration, Kc in the terms of pressure, Kp. So this equation finally on solving gives E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. तो ये भी एक हमारा इक्वेशन हो गया क्या फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. व्हेन ई नॉट सेल गिवन देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट, एंड व्हेन इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट गिवन we can calculate the standard EMF of a cell. Take one example for this equation for numerical problem. So the final equation for equilibrium constant and EMF of cell is E naught of the cell equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. This is the final equation which is used to calculate the EMF of a cell. Suppose for a equation Cu plus 2 Ag positive gives Cu2 positive aqueous plus Cu, and its E naught cell equal to 0.46 volt. Find Kc. Find Kc. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? Kc फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या? जबकि हमें ये गिवन है. हमें पता है E नॉट सेल इक्वल टू 0.059 अपॉन n log Kc. On putting all the value which are given, so this is 0.46 equal to 0.059 upon 2, because here the value of n is equal to 2 log Kc. So log Kc is equal to 0.46 into 2 upon 0.059. So on solving, the value of log Kc comes out to be 15.59 something. So this is the value of log Kc, not Kc. So Kc will be equal to NT log 15.59, and on solving this gives the value of equilibrium constant for a given equation. हम क्या करेंगे? एंटी लॉग देखेंगे, उसके बाद फाइंड आउट करेगा एंटी लॉग कैसे देखते हैं, मैंने बता रखा है, तो वहां से इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. ओके. और इसकी जो वैल्यू आती है वो कम्स आउट टू बी 3.92 इंटू 10 की पावर 50. Next and the last, EMF and Gibbs energy of cell. Gibbs energy means maximum work done by the cell. So Gibbs energy represented like this, and it is equal to minus NF E naught of the cell. ये हम कब यूज करेंगे? जब हमें क्या गिवन हो? स्टैंडर्ड EMF गिवन हो. And another formula also used to calculate the Gibbs energy, which is minus 2.303 RT log Kc. ये हम कब यूज करेंगे? जब हमें क्या गिवन हो? इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट गिवन हो. So these two equations are generally used to calculate the Gibbs energy for a given cell. If Gibbs energy comes out to be positive, it means cell does not work, and if it comes out to negative, means cell working. For E delta G comes out to be negative only when E naught of cell is negative, because negative positive, and it comes out to be negative when the E cell is positive, and if E naught cell is positive means cell is working. तो ये क्या था, हमारा आज का टॉपिक था. We will start a next topic in next lecture. For today, thank you.